Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned kidney beans. First, understand that pressure canning is the only safe method for preserving low-acid foods like beans, ensuring safety and quality. You will need dried kidney beans, a pressure canner, and appropriate canning jars with new lids and rings. 1 pound of dried beans typically yields about 5 pint jars, so plan your quantities accordingly. This process allows you to enjoy ready-to-use beans with a long shelf life. Proper preparation is key for safe and delicious home-canned kidney beans. Begin by carefully sorting your dried beans, discarding any discolored or damaged ones. Next, you'll need to rehydrate them. You can either soak the beans overnight for 12 to 18 hours, or use a quick soak method by boiling them for 2 minutes, then letting them stand for 1 hour. After soaking, drain and rinse the beans, then boil them in fresh water for 30 minutes. Now, let's move to the canning process. Ensure your canning jars are clean and hot. Carefully fill each hot jar with the pre-cooked beans and their hot cooking liquid, making sure to leave 1 inch of headspace at the top. You can add 1/2 teaspoon of salt to pint jars or 1 teaspoon to quart jars for flavor, though it's optional. Place the filled jars into your pressure canner. Process pint jars for 75 minutes and quart jars for 90 minutes at 10 pounds of pressure, adjusting for altitude. Once the processing time is complete, turn off the heat and allow your pressure canner to depressurize naturally. Do not force it open. After the pressure gauge reads 0, carefully remove the jars using a jar lifter. Place them on a towel or cooling rack, allowing them to cool undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. Finally, check that all jars have sealed properly. Label them with the contents and date, then store your delicious home-canned kidney beans in a cool, dark, and dry place for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.